Well, good afternoon, YouTube. It's about 1 in the afternoon. It's December 6th, 2025, Saturday. It's about 70 degrees, and I'm going for a bike ride. Yeah, my rear wheel's still making a knocking noise. It's got to be the gears. It's not any spokes. I just haven't uploaded the video where I was riding it. It started making a noise, but yeah. So I think maybe the planetary gear assembly is going out on my rear motor. That sucks. So what I'll probably end up doing is accelerating with the front motor and playing catch up with the rear motor. Of course, intersections are going to be a nightmare to get across. I don't know, dude. This thing's does not sound good. I am using the I'm not using the new battery on the back. I'm using the triangle battery on the back. I thought maybe that might be maybe it was a power delivery issue, but that's not the issue. So I wasn't gonna make that light anyway. I'm trying to use my new mic with this thing today. It's a wired mic. I tested it in my room and I had my AC on in my room, and it wasn't even really picking up the sound of my AC very well. So, but it picked my voice up okay. But I might end up just using the built-in mics on the camera because I kind of like the ambient sounds in my videos. I don't know about you guys, but it sounds better when it's not just my voice. Funny thing is, when I went to when I turned the middle monitor on, my old battery was registering at 54 volts, and I haven't seen it at that high in a while. Lately, it's been all the way down to like 52 something when I turned the bike on. So it's like it just for not being used for a while, it got some power back somehow. I don't feel very good. Probably not going to go very far. I'm having a rough couple days with my health problems. Actually, I think I'm going to start heading back right now. I don't feel good. Well, since my motor started making a knocking noise, I said, well, maybe I'll send a message to electric, and who knows, maybe they'll hook me up with a wheel. I doubt it, but they'll probably want me to pay like $150 for a new wheel, which doesn't make any sense because this model's not even made anymore. Yeah, I'm just gonna go home. I don't feel good. This sucks. Oh well. Guess I wasn't ready to go riding yet. I mean, I could try pushing myself, but I'm not doing that. I'm gonna go back up to Marshall to go across the street at the light, though. Man, that white line is way far back from the curb, man. What the heck? Yeah, my rear gears, internal gears in the motor sound crunchy. So I mean, once I get up to speed, though, it's still working okay, but I don't know. Damn. You got the paint so thick on that line that it's like a speed bump. I can't tell if anybody's coming. Oh, yeah, there's a white car coming now. These damn trees on the left, I can't see anything. There we go. I don't know, because like even when I'm not accelerating and using the motor power, it's still knocking. Shit, I think it might be the rim. I think the rim might be giving out where the seam is. That would make sense because it's a shitty rim. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, I don't feel good. So I'm gonna have to take a look at the seam on this rim and see if maybe that's the problem. Look out, kitty cat. Shoot. Meow. 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 Okay, well that's that. Meow. I didn't get to go for a ride. Dang it, I'm gonna check out my seam situation here. Okay. If I can find the seam, yeah, it looks, well, it still looks like it's stuck together most of the way. I don't know what's doing that, man. I guess if I'm feeling good tomorrow morning, I'll come out here or tomorrow midday, and it warms up a little, go out here and flip the bike over and look at the wheel. I don't know what's doing that. It's so weird. Ugh. My mom's got her car parked really far over. I gotta carefully get this back in the garage. Dang it. I really don't feel good. Damn. All right, well, I'm not even gonna plug this shit in. I don't care. I just want to go in the house. So, sorry. I tried to go for a ride. Probably not going to upload this. I don't know. I'm just going to go. See y'all later. Bye.